of some Africa country, they are tired of Nigeria attitude. Honestly, Ghanaians, it's not only you that is facing this challenge in the hands of Nigeria. So, hey, there is a video we'll be watching now concerning a Kenyan guy. Hey, you need to come and see how he described Nigeria. I was ashamed to be a Nigerian woman. My people, you need to come and see how this man talk about Nigeria as in Kenya. Who does? Eh? Why is it that any country we went to, they must see one or two things to describe us? They must see one or two things to verify us. Oh, Jesus Christ. Stay tuned, guys. This is what we'll be talking about. Hello, people. Hello, everyone. It's your one and only baby girl, Maria Omo Family TV. Guys, how you all doing? I hope you guys are doing fabulous. Okay, so my old subscribers, may God in heaven bless you guys. My returning subscribers, may Almighty God in heaven bless you guys. Those that will come across my video and watch and subscribe for me, may Almighty God in heaven bless you guys. Okay, guys, trust me, I am not taking any of you for granted, because without you guys, I don't think there will be Maria Omo channel. Okay, thank you guys for your amazing job well done. May God in heaven reward you guys. Okay, my people, in today's video, guys, we will be talking about no, Omo, calm down. No, just relax. Okay, guys, if you are new in my channel, in case you don't know what I do in my channel, I am a content creator. I am a blogger. I talk about Nigeria and Ghana. Trust me, not for bad, okay, for good, my people. Okay, my adorable people. In today's video, guys, hey, we will be talking about Nigerians in Kenya. Charlie. Guys, I will be uploading the video along this broadcast for you guys to listen and see yourself. Sometimes I begin to think it's not every time we just be saying president. It's not every time, It's not every time, because our the president of Nigeria did not tell you to go to another man's land and be using their passports. Then you deny your own passports. They ask you if you are in Nigeria, you will say you are not in Nigeria. You are committing enough of atrocity. The country that is not your country. It's high time we guys stop it and bring a good name and reputation to that nation now. My people. It's high time. Honestly, sometimes some of our Nigeria, they claim that they are Superman. They claim that they are boss. And they claim that they are smart. Meanwhile, they are not smart at all. They are not smart. Later, when you cut them, they will look like chicken that fall in the water. You call that one smartness? Is it a bad thing for you to do your thing legitimate, clean and beautiful way? Is it a bad thing for you to make a good name? It's not a bad thing. Every time Nigeria. Look at the way this guy was just describing Nigeria, my people. The guy is right, though. The way he described Nigeria is right. The way he described, I should not say Nigeria, some of our youth in Nigeria, the way this Kenyan man described them is true. It's true, my people. I don't really know what we want. This world that we are living today is vanities, my people. It's vanities. Especially this world, this our generation now. It's just the grace of God, my people. This world is this. Achieve this. It's not worth dying for. Your happiness matter. Even if you have the whole world, trust me, one day you are just going to say, when you say those things, the people that don't know the risk you took, they are going to misuse those things. If you acquire little, just be happy. Just be happy. That is the only thing you can achieve from it. Eat good food, wear good clothes, make yourself happy, take yourself to holiday. Not that you want to acquire the whole world. Who do you guys want to impress? Disgracing that nation, bringing shame and reproach to that nation, because they generalize it. The way this guy was saying it, even including me, join. He generalized it. He said, don't know what is wrong. The whole Africa is tired of Nigerians, and it's true, my people. It's true. Ghanaians, you guys should not be surprised, though. It's not only your country, Nigeria, are doing rubbish, all over the world, though. Look at Kenya. Hey, Nigeria, waiting the pursue now. Waiting everywhere. Pew, 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 pew. Eh? Now you start to communicate, follow everywhere. No. Not that we don't have good Nigerians. Not that we don't have intelligent and brave Nigerians. We have them. But just that, the nuisance one, they are just too much. The population of the nuisance one is more than the population of the intelligent one. That's why anything they always come out and say, Nigeria, Nigeria, Nigeria. When they are reading the news, when you are watching it, you just be shivering. Eh? So my people, I don't want to continue talking for talking's sake, okay? If you know you have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly do. As you do so, may God bless you. Always share this video, like this video, okay, my adorable people? So my Nigerians, please, it's high time we stop to bring shame and disgrace to our nation. We are not the only Africa in the whole West, in the whole Africa. Yeah, Nigeria. Yeah, Nigeria. Nigeria is Togo are tired of them. Nigeria is Benin are tired. Nigeria is Cameroon, they are tired. Nigeria in Abidjan, Cameroon is the same. No, Cameroon, Abidjan and this thing, Ivorian, they are the same, right? They are tired. All over everywhere, Nigeria, they are tired of you guys. Dubai are tired, Malaysia are tired, Asia are tired, Italy tired, France tired, Germany. Oh, what is it? Please, guys, let's join hands together and bring that nation back to how it was before. Okay, my adorable people? So, guys, please, and stop using people's passports. Please. If you're in Nigeria, you go to anywhere, be very proud to be in Nigeria. If you love to ask for citizenship in that country, pass the process. Then we give it to you. For you to be denying your own passport and be using people's passport to do nonsense. You know, we Africans, our colors are different. If you are in Nigeria standing with Ghana, I'm going to say, yes, this one is Nigeria, this one is Ghana. If you are in Nigeria standing with Senegal, they are going to say, this one is Nigeria, this one is Senegal. We have different colors. Our appearance is different. So when you are using that passport, be careful. Eh? Okay, my people. So I will be dropping the video with this. So guys, try and watch and see the hunger in them. Honestly, this guy, he finished Nigerians. He finished us. He finished us. And it's true. We have to change. Okay, my people? So I would love to see you all in my next video. I love you all with the love of God. Bye-bye.
Women carry their passport to say they are not Nigerians because the target there is Nigerians. If you go to Congo, they are not comfortable with Nigerians. If you go to Zimbabwe and Zambia, they are not comfortable with Nigerians. In fact, even a country that is close to Nigeria as Ghana have a problem with the Nigerians. There is a problem. There is a general trait that Nigerians have. There's unnecessary aggression that other people don't find comfortable.
Why do you think there's seemingly an influx of Nigerians in most African countries?
Because their country, I think because of the terrorism effect that is going on in their country, and again because of the bulging population and the high rate of unemployment, so they are operating like Chinese. They are finding a way they can deposit their population. Unfortunately, they are depositing themselves with their Nigerian cultures, which do not fit in us. Even in Nairobi here, when you go to Kilimani here, we always see Nigerians opening, wanafungua bunduki, wanataka kupigana na the Kenyans. Those kind of things we have to make sure that they stop. If you go to Donholm, they are doing very crazy things with our ladies. And those are the things that in fact, even this week on Sunday, the police arrested 3 people. Some of them were Nigerians with fake money. M-Pesa, they are hacking into our M-Pesa. They are having fake money, illegal trade that are done by these guys. We are only asking Nigerians and other foreigners in our country that let them live within the norms and traditions of the people of that host country for them to enjoy the freedom and everything.